Welcome everyone. Today we are going to talk about something very important. Not fast English, not perfect English, but daily English growth. Because let's be honest, nobody becomes fluent in one day. If that was possible, we would all be speaking like news anchors by now. English grows slowly, just like a plant. You water it daily, and one day, boom, it becomes strong. So, in this video, I will show you simple and powerful steps to improve your English every single day. Lesson number 1: focus on daily progress, not perfection. Let's start with the most important mindset. Most people say, I will speak English when I become perfect. And then they wait and wait and wait. And guess what? Nothing happens. Listen carefully. Perfection is a myth. Even native speakers make mistakes. Yes, even them. So, if you are waiting to become perfect, you are basically waiting forever. Instead, focus on progress. If you improve just a little every day, you will become much better in a few months. Small steps matter. For example, today you learn 5 words. Tomorrow you speak 3 sentences. Next day you read a short paragraph. Simple? Yes. Powerful? Also yes. Many people ignore small progress. They think this is too easy. But remember, easy done daily is better than hard done once. Also, mistakes are not your enemy, they are your teachers. So, from today, don't try to be perfect, just try to be better than yesterday. Lesson number 2: speak a little English every single day. Now, this is very important. Many people read, watch videos, listen, but when it's time to speak, they freeze. Why? Because they never practice speaking. You cannot learn speaking without speaking. It's like learning swimming by watching YouTube. You will drown with full confidence. So start speaking today. No partner, no problem. Talk to yourself. In the morning, I am waking up. I am brushing my teeth. While eating, this food is tasty. I like it. Yes, it may feel funny, but it works. Start small, speak daily. Also, don't worry about mistakes. Speak slowly and clearly. Remember, simple English spoken daily is more powerful than perfect English never spoken. Lesson number 3: build your vocabulary slowly and smartly. Now, let's talk about vocabulary. Many people try to learn 50 to 100 words in one day. Then, after 3 days, they forget everything. Why? Because they are learning the wrong way. Vocabulary is not about how many words you know, it is about how many words you can use. So, learn only 5 to 10 words daily for each word. Understand it, make a sentence, speak it. Example: word improve. Sentence: I want to improve my English. Simple and effective. Also, focus on daily use words, not difficult words you will never use. And don't forget revision. If you don't, your brain says delete file. So keep it simple, learn, use, repeat. Lesson number 4: read English every day. even if it is simple. Many people think reading is boring, but reading is like gym for your brain. It helps you understand sentence, structure, vocabulary, and ideas. But here's the mistake. People start with difficult books, then they understand nothing and quit. So start simple, read short stories, easy paragraphs, or basic English content. Read slowly, try to understand, don't rush. A simple method. Read once, read again, understand, speak one sentence. That's it. Even 10 to 15 minutes daily is enough. Remember, the more you read, the better you speak. Lesson number 5. Listen to English daily. Train your ears. Now, let's train your ears. Many people say, I can't understand English. That's because they don't practice listening. Before speaking well, you must understand well. So listen daily. But don't just hear, listen actively. Start with simple content, not fast or difficult English. Try this method. Listen to one sentence, pause, repeat. This is called shadowing. Example: I am learning English every day. Pause, repeat. Do this daily for 10 to 20 minutes. At first, you won't understand everything, that's normal. Start with 30%, then 50%, then 70%. Slowly, your ears will improve. Remember, good listeners become good speakers. Lesson number 6. Think in English. This is the game changer. Most people think in their language, then translate into English. That's why they speak slowly. Fluent speakers think directly in English. So start small. Look around and think. This is a chair. I am sitting. I feel tired. Simple thoughts. If you don't know a word, don't stop. Explain it. Example: instead of umbrella, the thing we use in rain. Smart. Right? Practice thinking anytime. Walking, sitting, eating. Slowly your brain will adjust. One day, you will think in English without effort. And then, speaking becomes easy. Lesson number 7. Be consistent. This is the real secret. You don't need the best course. You don't need long hours. You need consistency. Most people start strong, then stop. That's why they fail. Consistency is more powerful than talent. Even 30 minutes daily is enough. Simple routine. Speak 10 to 15 minutes. Read 10 to 15 minutes. Listen 10 to 15 minutes. Learn 5 words. That's it. Even on bad days, do something small. Because the moment you stop, progress stops. Stay consistent for 30 days. You feel improvement. 90 days, others notice. 1 year, you become a new person. Remember, fluency is not built by doing more. It is built by not stopping. Final message. So remember this. You don't need magic. You don't need perfect English. You just need daily effort. Some days will be good. Some days will be slow. That's okay. Just don't stop. Speak a little, learn a little, grow a little. And one day, you will speak English confidently without fear. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who is learning English. Because your one share can help someone change their life. Keep practicing, keep improving, and I will see you in the next video.